Hello, my name's Lawrence Joseph and I work for Diamondbrite. I'm going to go through how our product works and how you can benefit from having the product on your bike. Now, ceramic protection has been around for quite a while. We've been going 31 years now. We've created a product that is perfect for bikes and will protect your bike. The paintwork on a bike and a car is porous, so which means under a microscope it's not level. What we're doing is we're protecting that paintwork, making sure that no dirt, grime, etc. gets into the pores. The person applying it will start with panel white, which is isopropanol alcohol. We make sure there's no soap and there's no oils and the bike is very clean. Once that's been done, we get to the ceramic protection. Now, it gets applied on all the paintwork. The valeter will make sure that every area is covered, and once it's dried, he will polish off the ceramic. We've now got our layer. So that means you don't need to polish your bike again. What it also means that dirt, grime sits on the top and can be cleaned off. UV light, which can affect the colour. You've now got that protective layer. And also in the summer when you're going along, insects, which can be, from what I've been told, a bugbear, you've now got a layer there which makes it easier to clean it off the bike. It's also hydrophobic, so if you're in the rain and you get caught out in the rain, then you will see it bead on the paintwork rather than just sit on the paintwork, which basically means your bike will stay cleaner for longer. You're not just paying to make the bike look great, you're paying to maintain that look. Now, with the guarantee that you get with the ceramic protection, it's 3 years. So what we're effectively saying is that your bike, excluding dents and scratches, will look like the day you took it away from the showroom. Now, once you've had your bike ceramics, you also get a pack to help maintain your bike. You don't need to polish your bike in the next 3 years, but you do need to keep it clean. So you get waterless detailer, because you can't take a bucket and sponge with you when you go out. You get degreaser, you get bike wash, chrome and metal polish, pro preserve and kit fresh. All of that made by us for when you maintain your bike over the next coming years. So the key summary is you have 3-year guarantee. You don't have to polish your bike again. It will be easier to clean, a hydrophobic layer, and of course your bike will look fantastic. Thank you for your time today here from West London Triumph.